Hey there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use multiple inboxes in Gmail, a game-changing trick to organize your emails and supercharge your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll be able to manage your inbox like a pro. First, log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This is your settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings. This opens the full settings page where Gmail lets you customize pretty much everything. Next, click on the Inbox tab. Here, look for the Inbox type drop-down menu. From the options, select multiple inboxes. And just like that, you're opening the door to a much smarter email setup. Scroll down, and you'll see multiple inbox sections. This is where you can decide which emails appear in separate sections. You can use filters like is colon starred for important emails, label colon work for your job-related messages, to colon me for emails directly addressed to you, or has attachment to keep track of files. Think about which categories matter most to you and enter them here. Now give each section a clear and intuitive name, like starred work emails or attachments. This makes it easy to identify each inbox at a glance. You also get to choose the layout. These sections can appear on the right side of your main inbox or below it. Pick the one that feels most natural for how you check your emails daily. Finally, scroll to the bottom and hit Save Changes. And just like that, your Gmail is now organized with multiple inboxes. This setup keeps your emails neat, helps you prioritize quickly, and saves you time every day. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Gmail tricks and productivity hacks. Start using multiple inboxes today and take control of your email like a pro.